Changing the oil is a simple way to save money and become just a little more connected with your vehicle. Today, I'm changing the oil on my 2004 Honda Accord. My Honda is a four-cylinder, it's a 2.4 liter, so we'll be making sure we follow the owner's manual based on four-cylinder models, as it's a bit different with the quantity of oil that you'll put in. Are you ready to get started? Let's go. Right here with a 17 millimeter. I just recently picked up this torque wrench, so I'm going to try to use it for the first time when I'm putting the oil drain plug back in. If it's on there tight, I might need this to take it off. I will need a oil drain pan and a little funnel to make things easier when I'm trying to put the oil back in. And also nice and handy is to have a little shop rag. This is just an old skydiving t-shirt. And also, importantly, the owner's manual. Sometimes you just gotta read shit. If you wanna make for easier cleanup, get yourself some little latex gloves. I think I grabbed these at the dollar store. Today I've chosen the Fram oil filter, model number PH7317. By no means does this have to be the oil filter you put in it. Just make sure you have one that's compatible with your vehicle. The oil I'm using is Valvoline's 5W20. The important part here is that it's a 5W20, as that's what Honda recommends for the four-cylinder Honda Accord. All right, got my 17 millimeter wrench here. Let's go pull this drain plug. So by opening up the oil cap under the hood, it's creating airflow to allow this oil to drain a lot faster. Now I got to put the drain bolt on. The user manual tells me that I need to replace the washer, but I don't have an extra washer. So I am just going to leave the old washer on there. It looks pretty good, looks in good condition, so I think we'll be okay. We'll start here by just going a hand tightening it. All right, we're gonna reach up here for my oil filter. I'm gonna try to do this with my hand first. Nice. That's what you want. You want it to be able to come off with your, making a mess here. Nice and slow, we'll take this off. I'm taking it off with my hand. That's how we want it. One thing we're gonna do with this to make it easy, just like it was to take the last one off by hand, we want the same thing for next time we change the oil. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a thin layer of fresh oil on the gasket here, and that'll give us not only a better seal, but it'll make it easier to pull off. I don't like to use the old oil for this, so I'm gonna dip my finger into the fresh oil and put it on there, just in case there's any kind of contaminants in the old oil, like any kind of metal shavings or anything. And I'm just gonna put it on hand tight. Once I feel it just get just snug, or it's just starting to create a seal, I'm gonna give it just one more quarter turn. You don't wanna go real tight on this, okay? Because you're gonna put it on there, just nice little hand turn, and then what's gonna happen is get like a suction onto there and create a better seal. So that's what you're looking for. So let's put some new oil in this thing. Okay, so we have a 5-quart jug here. Owner's manual asks for a 4-cylinder, 4.4 quarts of oil. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put 4 quarts from the jug into there. Then we'll run the car, let it cycle through the oil a little bit, and then we'll check the dipstick to see where we're at. If we're a little low, we'll add some more. Don't put more oil than you're supposed to in your vehicle. You can completely destroy your engine. So as you can see here, we have 1 quart of oil showing on the meter right here. So if my basic math is correct, we had 5 quarts. Now we have 1 quart left, so we should have 4 quarts in the engine right now. So we're gonna go ahead and cycle the engine, let that run for a little bit, and then we'll add a little bit more oil as needed. So there you have it. It's how easy it is. I am not a mechanic. I was never taught as a kid. But what I did is I just picked up a manual, watched a few YouTube videos, and started tinkering with my cars. And it gave me this sense of control. And I hope this video can help you get under the hood of your own vehicle, become more at one with your vehicle, because it just feels good. So good luck to you. Remember, you have tons of sources online now, and just look at the owner's manual. That pretty much lays everything out for you. If I did anything wrong, or if you have any questions or comments for me, just leave them in the comment section below. All right, until next time.